We are here in a park in Southwest Houston, next to the Beltway, onto close onto Beach Nut, as y'all can see right there. We're seeing a park. It has a little lake running through, and it's very. The water's so high. It went down some. Yesterday was worse. Like you can barely see the grass right here on the side. It was all the way up. Yeah, the water flooded all the way over onto here. This part right here, that dirt, the brown dirt right there, that debris got left there. And we got some folks over here fishing. They've caught a lot of fish already, but those are, in Spanish we call them mojarras. So let's just take a closer look here. We got that tree right there on the floor, on the ground. So you can see the sky. These things started on Friday, and it's already Tuesday, so it's been Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 5 days straight of nonstop rain, flooding, tornado warnings. Tornado warning stopped up until last night. The water's going down already, so. Look at that. I want to take a look over there. There's like in the middle of the park, it's like another little lake with tall trees, and there you can see the water flooded all the way up to the top of the trees. You could barely see the tip of the trees. It's gone down a lot. If we get closer, y'all guys will be able to see what I'm talking about.